y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with day 22 of May I Scraplift You, and today we are scrap lifting Allie's Space to Craft. Last time I checked, she was at 540 subscribers, so I know that she would love to have you guys. I absolutely love this. Y'all know I love hexagons, but I think this is so beautiful. It's like simplistic, but very stunning. And I absolutely love her creations. So like I said, definitely go over and check her out. I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I am still using my Simple Story, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection. So I did pull a different paper from my stash that has this like a school paper type thing. And I've got some butterflies that I fussy cut out. And then I cut them so that I could just bend the wings a little bit and give them a little bit of dimension. And then I have some of the ephemera. I pulled this from my stash. I have flowers that I fussy cut from the papers. I have hexagons that I die cut from the papers. And I have one of the tags. I already put the title on it. It says Academic Champions. And I used up lots of my foam stickers, so woo woo. And then I have my photos. These are photos from Brooke from the Ray County Academic Champions. And, of course, us. And then this was her principal, which was her teacher. And then this is her band director. And this is just another paper that I decided... It's been hard for me to use the typewriter key papers. But I thought since it was school related... I could kind of tie it in. So, I am just going to put this on, and I'm just going to fast forward and let y'all see me put it together. I'm just going to work on putting hexagons down. I am going to keep pretty close to her layout for the scrap lift. I think she did use smaller hexagons than I did, but that's okay too. So, like I said, I'm just going to put it on, and I'll be back when I'm done. So this is going to be the layout. Absolutely love how it turned out. Like I said, I stuck pretty close to the Scraplift inspiration from Allie's Space to Craft. Go over and show her some love. Also check out everyone else that is playing along. I apologize for this being a day late. Life is crazy right now, and I am taking this long weekend to play catch up. So hopefully all the rest will be on time. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.